this session, we will be going over the day sheet and transaction journal reports. The day sheet and transaction journal are reports that print out transactions for the day, if it's a day sheet, or day selected, if it's a transaction journal. They are the same exact report with a different function. Day sheet is for a single day. Transaction journal is for a range of days. Either way, they can be accessed through the reports menu, or for day sheet by pushing Shift Control J, and transaction journal by just Control J. Once the window is open, you'll see they look exactly the same, except for the day sheet, the day automatically fills in for service date. You'll also see that the first tab lets you choose dates and ranges. You can filter by employees, which is the person who entered the item, or providers, which is the provider designated on the item. You can select any date range. Next, you can filter items that have notes containing whatever you type in this box. This is typically used to filter out check payments only, as the check number is usually put in the notes field. The include box lets you choose between all transactions, charges only, or payments and credits only. Sort by lets you choose a sorting method. And finally, the checkbox list archive transaction only means that only archive transactions will print on the day sheet or the transaction journal. The additional ranges tab gives you the option to put in any other ranges you wish. And the filters tab lets you do even more ranges if they're not on the additional ranges tab. The report options tab gives you the option to filter by insurance company or insurance type, subtotal by provider, calculate total AR, print totals only, which means it will not have every line, just the totals, print notes, or print diagnoses. Print, preview, profile, and cancel work just as they do in any other report. Once printed or previewed, depending on the options chosen in the include box, you will have up to 3 sections. First is transaction details, which lists both charges and payments. Next is charge summary, which only lists charges. And finally, payment summary, which lists payments only. On the last page of the report are the totals. This concludes this session.